Hello and welcome to this new video of Tactical Index. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare and install the Saiga drum magazine for the Saiga Tokyo Marui. So let's do it. First, you're gonna need to take your original mag. As you've already seen in the manual, you can disassemble it by pushing the pin there and extract all of the inside. I won't do it because I've already installed an HPA adapter there. From there, you're gonna need to take your screwdriver and remove all of this part. This part holds the BBs on the stock magazine. You won't need it, so I took it apart. And you take the new one in the package. There's no need to say that you need to clean everything. You need to make sure that BBs travel without any problems in the tube. Personally, I printed it on this side like this. That's why there are a lot of supports mark, but it's not a problem. So we take it, and there you can see the BB retainer that's included. I've glued a small spring. I think that this one comes from a tappet plate spring. I just cutted the buckles on both sides and glued it. It's quite strong, so it's good. Don't forget to sand well, because it needs to travel without problems inside. If there are hard points where the beer retainer stops, you need to sand those, because it will be troublesome here. So here it's no problem. Just install it like a standard mag there. Because these are small screws and I've got big fingers, it will be a bit difficult. There. These are the stock screws. They can be found on the standard mag. These are M2.5, I guess, if you want to replace those. There. Your mag is ready. Just check the BB retainer. The spring pushes on this surface. Everything's good. So you can put it there, and from there we have to take your Lonex mag. These are these flash mags, you know. To remove those, you need to unscrew this one. From there you can push all the inside. Mine is already in two parts because I've already cut it. When it comes, it will be one part like this. You need to make a cut there from this edge. Show you from this edge to the edge on the other side. That's why it has an angle like this, as you can see. And from the other side, you just make a straight cut there from the one that is most on the top there. And then there's no need to say that you need to clean it the most you can. This one won't be helpful. And there you've left just this part that winds the magazine. And you can take this big part. You take all of the internals that you've prepared. Insert it. Mine is a bit tight. You don't insert it all the way. You let a bit like this. You take your mag, and then you align it. Here there is this small place. As you can see, it pushes on here and on here too. Then you take your feed tube, this part. I personally print it like this, so there's no need for any support. Just like the feed tube, make sure that it goes well inside. perfect. And then insert it. Go slowly because you don't want to break it. You aim for the hole there. Maybe you'll need to wiggle a bit. No, I need to do it again because it clips. Then, as you can see, it's inside. It clicks. It doesn't move anymore. From there, you can put your BBs on the top part, there and there. Not this one. This one I not use because the system fits from this hole. I'm just gonna show you some BBs. Yeah, it will be enough. This one, I don't want it to stay inside. Perfect. From there you can take the cover, just align it. Hopla. My screws are a bit, yeah, perfect. Then there is here a small tab that you'll need to is it working? We're gonna check. It's working perfectly. Thanks for watching.